Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about last week's video. In that video I'm gonna link it. I was talking about how you need to take more time to do your paintings because we tend to rush things. I was certainly rushing my paintings, and so I wanted to take more time. I wanted to sleep on it, maybe spend several days so that I can have a fresh perspective and a fresh set of eyes and maybe fresh imagination about where I want to take my painting. And so I told myself for my next painting, that's what I'm gonna do. And oh my God, I went through a rabbit hole of emotions like you don't even know. You're about to find out because I went through so many different stages of change and maybe different direction, and I was like, I know where I want the painting to go. I just don't know how to get there, and I don't know what colors to use and this and that, and maybe I need to fix this, maybe I need to fix that. And I was like I was like, I'm ruining it. And I really thought I was ruining my painting. It's like, oh, this is a horrible idea. But I think it turned out okay. But you be the judge of that. So I'm gonna show you the video. Before I do that, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this, and if you want to see my journey through my wacky painting experiences, while I'm trying to be a slightly better artist than yesterday. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I think that's how it is. Anyways, without any further ado, enjoy this.
So I wanted to recreate this photo from Instagram, and this is something that I did years ago, and I wanted to see what it would look like as a painting. And I wanted to just have this spooky forest and Ganesh in the middle type of thing with vines. And oh boy, I don't even know why, but I started using bright pink and orange and yellow colors, and that had nothing to do with the spooky vibe that I wanted to do. I just thought in the moment, in that split second, I thought, oh, I don't use these colors often enough, so this is the perfect opportunity to do that. And the moment they hit the canvas, I immediately regretted that decision, especially when I started working on Ganesh and adding those green colors. It definitely clashed in a major way, but I didn't want to fix it right away. I just wanted to work on Ganesh first and worry about the background later. So I started just focusing on Ganesh and adding those colors, adding that dimension, adding those shadows and lights and highlights and the vines, and I was trying to make it as perfect as it could be. Again, I'm not crazy experienced, so I mean it won't be a crazy masterpiece, but it's at least it's something that I can be happy with. Now it's time to work on the background, and I have to say I was pretty intimidated by it because I still didn't know how I wanted it to look. I knew that I wanted it dark, like a spooky forest, so I wanted a spooky vibe. I just didn't know how. So the best thing I thought of was, let me use the brown that I was using for Ganesh to darken those bright colors. Now, I didn't want to completely erase the colors because I did like the warmth of having purples and oranges and yellows. I just didn't want it as bright, so I just decided to use some brown to make it darker. And then I kind of liked it. I finished it, I liked it, and I asked my boyfriend what he thought, and he told me it's not your best work. So I really took that to heart. I decided to have a second look and see where I went wrong and what I needed to change, but I couldn't really see it. It was late at night. It was time to just sleep on it and revisit it the next day. So the next day, I look at it and it doesn't look good. It looks like I just threw dirt on it. So I wanted to change it by adding a source of light in the middle, which is what I had in my head in the first place. I just didn't realize it until later. I wanted a source of light from the middle, and then it gets darker around it. And obviously, just adding white wouldn't look good, so I needed to gradually fade it out. And so I needed to use the greens and the browns that I was using before so that it looks more cohesive and more constant throughout. And the more I wanted to blend it, the more I needed to spread it out, and I ended up painting the entire background.
Alright, so what did you think? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What did you think of the process of it all? Let me know in the comments below what you thought about the painting, about the final product, if you like it, or the journey itself. And you can make fun of me, it's okay. It's okay. You can make fun of me. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see the next video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of my future videos and see what wackiness I get into it. But until then, have a wonderful day. You're about to experience